Now, the UK economy has avoided a recession. That's technically 2 quarters of negative growth. Let's take a look at the figures as we saw them. After a 0.3% contraction in the third quarter, the fourth quarter managed zero growth in the final 3 months of 2022. Q4 GDP growth rate flat, in line with expectations. The year-on-year figure rising 0.4%. That was also in line with expectations. But I think one of the interesting headlines to come out of this is that third one down, where we saw the monthly GDP down or contracting by a margin of 0.5% in December. Now, the big question is now, could we end up getting some sort of adjustment as we see the next two readings coming through for Q4 GDP? Could we get an adjustment that might take us down to a negative figure? But at the moment, at least, the message is that the UK has avoided a recession. Also, data out today, December industrial production rising 0.3% month on month. We had been looking for a 0.2% contraction. So far as the markets are concerned in reaction to this, I want to show you a 10-minute chart for sterling against the US dollar. A lot of volatility in this. At the moment, we're currently trading at 121, which is holding that level there, just expanding this out to a daily chart just to show you exactly where we are with this small rise that we've seen this week. At sterling against the US dollar, there's been a bit more upside performance to sterling against the euro recently, but a little bit of a downward move there at 112.77 today. But broadly speaking, it's going to be a positive week, I think, overall. Jeremy Hunt just coming out, the Chancellor of the Exchequer, with some headlines this morning saying that it could well end up being in the situation, as far as he's concerned, is that we could well get inflation down to 5% this year. And then the UK will start to lift off in terms of growth. And he's expecting the UK to perform better than most other Western economies in terms of GDP.